Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without any app. So first you need to head over to your WhatsApp, and the only method to do that is simply click on these three dots on the top right side of your screen and head over to settings and scroll a little bit down. So here you can see we have this chats option, and scroll a little bit more down and we can see we have this option of backup. You can also use the transfer chats option to transfer chat history to Android phone, or you have this option of backup. Click on backup, and now we need to add a Google account. So you can see when we click on Google account, we have these option of different type of Google accounts, and we can add any of these. So make sure that your Google backup to Google Drive option is also selected and it is set to daily, and that's how you can use the recover delete messages option and just get your recovery messages done without installing any third-party apps. So yeah, I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of videos.